It's nice and all, but I cannot stand windy weather at all. And also, I had to park the Mustang here last night due to someone up at the fence over there peeking down. Like late at night, my grandmother shined her headlights on me and they ran up into the hills, so that's scary. Jesus, I really had to come all the way over here just to get out of the wind. I literally can't stand windy weather when filming. I don't mind windy weather, but when I'm filming, it muffles the mic. It's freaking awful. But yeah, that's crazy that someone was up there just peeking down at us. That is nuts. So today's video is going to be interesting for sure. I'm actually going to be using this and for very odd purposes. So my buddy Wyatt, he posted a TikTok where he zip tied his phone into the engine bay of the Subaru to hear the turbo spool, whatever. I don't know, not a turbo guy. I meant to say was to hear the turbo floater. I don't know why I can come up with that. I know turbos obviously, but I don't know, I'm just having a slow day today. But I'm not putting my phone in my engine bay. I'd rather put this in the engine bay because I do plan on getting a new GoPro. I'm planning on getting a Hero 9 black. So we will be sticking this in the engine bay to hear the supercharger whine. Hopefully it picks up good. Here is the mount, the sticky 3M tape mount. I'm going to strap this in the engine bay somewhere where there won't be too much wind noise. So I don't know, just the GoPros have a weird thing where it detects wind. The mic muffles itself down to help, you know, get rid of the wind noise, but sometimes it does it when there's no wind at all, just a lot of noise. So I don't know how well that's going to work, but hopefully we can pick up some good whine. So usually the whine comes from the cold air intake, so I'm trying to figure out where to put this mount at where it won't hurt anything, but I can't really put it there because well, I could probably put it there or down here maybe. I'm thinking about sticking it right here maybe. I think it's enough clearance so the hood won't hit it. Maybe it should, because if the hood's gonna hit this, it'd be hitting the supercharger, so it should be fine. And that should work. I don't think it'll pull off. It seems pretty sturdy. If it falls off, it ain't going nowhere, really. So yeah, that ought to work. And I know you noticed this signature. Well, I didn't point it out, but you notice it now. And you know the only way to get a signature on my car is to comment, so you can guess who commented on my TikTok. Alright, about to go stick the GoPro back in the engine bay and hit record. Alright, good jazz, and here she comes now. Hitting record now. There we go. Couple. Let's see what she sounds like. I'm not even that low, and this is horrible. Rubbing. Yeah. Alrighty, moment of truth. I think the GoPro survived the trip to Walmart, but heard a little bit of whine, so hopefully the GoPro caught that just fine. Just got finished in Walmart. Now we're going to turn this bad boy back on. That would suck if these sound clips didn't turn out good, but you know, if it doesn't, I'm sure it should. I mean, I put the GoPro on the windshield and it turned out good. So in there's less wind, so it should turn out even better. But yeah, oh, there's a popo over there. 2 popos. Nice, I gotta be quiet on the way out of here because Virginia police don't mess around. Just did a really good pull. That looks like a 4-wheeler.
It's like Candace.
Is that why you said Candace?
Huh?
Is that why you said Candace?
It's Candace.
I'm touching. Guess what? Hit and run. Made it back home. GoPro survived. It's a little bit warm, but not too hot.
I thought you meant the plastic one.
Plastic what?
Totes.
Oh no. Gee. Alrighty guys, it's gonna be it this video. It got dark out, so I couldn't really do the outro out there. But yeah, that was a fun little video. I'm sorry I'm starving for content, but that popped in my head when Wyatt did that video, which I haven't checked out the GoPro footage yet, but I'm about to, and I'm actually excited. I think it's gonna sound pretty good. Hopefully. But yeah, give me some content ideas. I'm actually starving for content ideas. Hopefully get to go to Tyler's this weekend, figure out his car. I think it's the fuel pump, like I said in like a video or two ago. Pretty sure it's the fuel pump that went out of his car, but yeah, that's why we haven't made content with him lately. His car's been down for like a month. So hopefully we can get the car back up and running ASAP, hopefully this weekend. Alrighty guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and see y'all later.
And we can